Hi, first grade. I hope you enjoyed our movie. We loved your one about presidents with the Prime Minister. We appreciate your hard work. We have been using a green screen to do our filming. We chose the pictures to match our words. The earthquake in Christchurch happened because New Zealand is on a fault line. The quake was a 6.3 magnitude. Lots of buildings have been destroyed. This shows the shock wave in Christchurch. When the earthquake happened, the cathedral in Christchurch collapsed. It was the heart of Christchurch, and now it is gone. It is important to the city. About 60,000 people have left Christchurch. Lots of people are still living in tents because the houses aren't safe to live in.
The CCV building got destroyed. People got injured and died.
Lots of people's houses has been destroyed. Please donate money so they can rebuild their houses. This is how the earthquake will have been if you were there. When the earthquake struck, it caused the earth to crack and sand and water came up like small volcanoes. It is called liquefaction. This destroyed thousands of cars, homes, and now people have nowhere to live.
Some schools are closed in the earthquake. Some kids can't learn.
I'm Joshua. My uncle has donated a whole truck full of water for the people in Christchurch.
These train tracks have gone all wonky from the Christchurch earthquake. These workers are trying to fix the wiggly train tracks. There's a picture of the CTV building. It came down and turned into lots and lots of rubble. People have been trying to work in it day and night. Many people need water from Christchurch.
Lots of rescuers came to Christchurch from all parts of the world. These are the Japanese rescuers. Heaps of people died in the Pine Gold building.
The earthquake was so strong it broke most of the sewage pipes. Christchurch needs lots of portaloos. Portaloos are a movable toilet and they don't need a sewage pipe. This boulder is called Rocky. It rolled into this house. It got sold on TradeMe. It caused a lot of damage to the house. 10,000 homes have to be demolished
because they are unsafe.
My dad has raised money for toilets for Christchurch. We decided we should have a red and black day to raise funds for Christchurch. We raised $1,189. Room 20 painted some pictures and sold them. The $400 I raised will go to Christchurch.
This is our whole school and some of our class in the local newspaper. It was for Black and Red Day fundraising for Christchurch.
Thank you for the money. It will help Christchurch. They will appreciate it. Thank you. First, Rain, New, Century, International, Elementary. country. School. The money you raised will be
Very helpful.
In Christchurch.